guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamisa Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, guys. Thank you for being here. I just really appreciate you guys and want to love on you guys. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos and all of that good stuff. Like my videos, share them out. I'm almost to 10,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. And the algorithm loves it. Yes, I'm driving, y'all. Listen, I wanted to come on and tell y'all, or give y'all an update, that my vaginal dryness videos have been really skyrocketing, going crazy. So that means that you guys want to have more videos. So here I am, right? I still want to tell you that there are natural ways that you can combat vaginal dryness. Yes, the lubricants work. Please use the lubricants. The moisturizers, they work. More water works. Decreasing your antihistamines, that works too. The supplements, the marshmallow root, the slippery elm, drinking okra water or whatever you guys have been trying that works for you. Okay, all of that works. It does. Even the stuff that I was telling you guys that works, the moisturizers, they do. But there's another player that I talked about before that is really helpful. And I'm doing this video in the car because I just came from my doctor's appointment, and we talked a couple months ago about starting estrogen, some form of estrogen. And for me, that form of estrogen, I wanted, because I researched and I know what I want. I didn't want the pill form. I didn't want the patch. Hold on, y'all, I gotta get over. And I didn't want anything to, ingest systemically that would hit my other organs first. I didn't want it to go through the liver, the kidneys, none of that, And so I researched, and there were two different types that I was interested in. And the main one was the vaginal cream that I was interested in. So that's what we started on, y'all. And I will be giving you guys some updates on it, how I like it, what I think about it. Can I tell the difference? And honestly, I do want to tell you guys, I don't necessarily have to have the estrogen cream. I really feel like I was doing perfectly fine with the moisturizers and the lubricant. And y'all know the main lubricant that I tell y'all to get is the Astroglide. Shout out to my girl who told me about that years ago, Stacia. Anyway, but yeah, so I feel like this will be an added benefit, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you guys have been asking me about it, and I just wanted to try it. And I feel like it's the safest one to try, so that's what I'm gonna do. And at least I'm gonna give it at least a month. I'm gonna give you my update from a month, then I'm gonna do 2 months and 3 months, and then go from there and see if we really like it. Okay. Yeah, so that's what it came down to. And honestly, y'all, the relationship that I have with my PCP, I was able to say, hey, I want to try this. I feel like I'm at that stage where it would be helpful if I try it, because y'all, I'm not trying to get to the point where I'm just like completely needing it, like, and then I don't have it. So, so that part, I thought I would just go on and try it. So I'm going to try it, and I'm going to update y'all to let y'all know how it goes. Also, I have a friend of mine who started the patches, and I'm going to get an update from her on that to see how she likes that. think another one of my friends, because we're at that age, started some estrogen, but I can't remember what she started. I'm not sure what she started, but I'm going to get some updates from her and possibly maybe get some of them on the channel so you can hear from them. Okay, y'all? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to update you guys at 1 month to see how that's going. Okay, y'all? All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.